So students, here again we have got an equation, but this time the equation is in the fraction form. You can see at the left hand side the unknown value of x is present in the denominator. So the left hand side is a fraction form, whereas the right hand side is given as a whole number. So first we'll try to transform this into a linear equation by moving this x, this entire x at the right hand side. So now 9 would be at its own place written as it is. I'll simply write this bracket using the cross multiplication operation at the right hand side. This is how this fraction is transformed into a linear equation. Now you can see that there is 3 outside the bracket. So you have to check if this 3 is divisible with the value given at the left hand side. So I'll simply move this 3 in the denominator of 9 and keeping the bracket as it is at the right hand side. So here you can see that 9 and 3 are divisible. We'll solve them. So now we are left with 3 at the left hand side and the bracket at the right hand side. We can equally write it as 2x minus 5 equals to 3. Recalling the rules explained to you for solving a linear equation, you know that in order to cancel negative 5, we have to put positive 5 on both the sides. Let's do it quickly. This is how this 5 is cancelled, and we are left with 2x equals to 8. To make the coefficient of x equals to 1, we need to divide the entire equation by 2 on both the sides. So now at the left hand side x is left, and at the right hand side we have 4. This is the value of x for this expression. Now verification is up to you. You know how to verify. So this you have to do yourself.